Want to know how to check your own profile in Boo? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily check your profile or your account in the Boo application. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Boo app, on the top left side you should be seeing this small hamburger icon, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected this hamburger icon here, you should be seeing your profile right here, or edit profile. If you want to edit your profile, just select edit profile right here. So if you just want to see your profile, just select profile, and once that is on your profile, it should be viewed just like this with your personal information, your followers, your friends, and what's more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily see your messages in the Boo app. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.